So we are in Clovis, California, and I'm going to try and get a picture of this underneath here. A little difficult. However, you can see there's the part I want you to see. So this little white clip there was replaced, as well as the braided hose that comes out of the bottom of it. Comes through the faucet itself, goes up to the spray hose, loops down, has a weight on it, and comes back up, and then it has this quick connect clip right here, which is this white thing. So it screws onto the bottom, which is right. Well, anyways, it is right there. And then up here is just a quick connect, just clips on there and stays in place. So that's it underneath here. And then up top, you can see there's a connection there. So that's the spray hose. And I'm going to check this for leaking. And then as long as everything is good, we will be done. And that is it.